All right, let's go through the kick here on this angle. First thing that I already told you about is this first stride is a little bit too long. First stride, a little bit too long here. It should only be about 6 inches. So your left foot should really be somewhere about right here. Just a little short jab step. The reason is it gets the body in motion. If there's a bad snap, if there's a bad holder bobbles the ball, what have you, you can pause. Here, you're a little bit dead in the water because that stride is just too long, and it's not going to make any difference to the distance of the kick. Believe me on that one. The right foot, as I told you on a couple of the other videos, looks like that the right foot is actually aimed to the right of the football. Your right foot should be aimed right here. More importantly, look at your shoulders. Your shoulders are pointed in this direction right here. And look at the hips. The hips are pointed here. Now, what's going to happen is your body is going to have to come this way and make a turn to hit the football. And I'll show you that's exactly what happens, and I'll show you the consequences when that happens as well. So, the left stride comes in. I told you before, it crowds it a little bit. We're crowding up a little bit with the left foot in here. And what's going to happen is, when I told you that now that the foot is here and has to swing around, and then the hips and the shoulders have to come around, watch what happens. Watch what happens here. You swing around, okay? You see that? So I told you, just because of the direction that you're moving, just because your whole body is going this way, okay, and then it has to swing around this way to hit the football, watch what happens. It's going there. It makes the left turn. It continues to make the left turn, and then your right foot, your kicking foot, comes all the way over here. And more importantly, look what happens. Look what happens with your upper body. Your upper body is going in this direction here, okay? And your lower body is going in this direction here. And that's basically all because of the way that your approach is to the football. Now, I know I'm throwing a lot at you right here. But what's going to eliminate this, and I know it's going to take a lot of time to try to adjust, is just to clean things up. To clean things up to where you're coming, oops, excuse me, that's a square, to you're coming right at the football, okay? Come at the football, come straight at the football, and then when you swing, instead of having to make this turn, swing straight. Your legs should come up straight instead of turn around.